In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a garden tap or a hose bib, and also how to change a bonnet which is on a garden tap. First thing you want to do is turn your water off at the water meter. Once you've done that, head over to the garden tap that you'd like to take off. Grab a 8 or 10 inch shifter and wind it off anti-clockwise. Once you've done that, you're ready to put some new Teflon on to the lugged elbow that's sticking out the wall. I usually like to go about 6 times around, and that is for the pink Teflon. You could also use white or grey. Once you've got your Teflon on, it's as simple as grabbing your new garden tap, screwing it on clockwise this time, and then get your shifter so that you can tighten it up. And obviously once you've got it to a tight position, you're going to want to make sure that it's nice and straight. And just wind down your tap, make sure it's turned off. Now I'm going over to another tap on the same house, and to change the bonnet you simply unscrew this top thread, which is called a bonnet, on your garden tap. So you're taking that bonnet out of the old tap, and you might need needle nose pliers, or you could just reach down and grab that jumper valve out. Once that is done, you get your new bonnet and valve, put it straight down into the old breech on the tap and wind it up. Don't forget to get your shifter and make sure that is nipped up quite tightly, and then wind your tap down again to close it. So now we're going to go turn the water meter back on again. Sometimes you need to use something to help you get a bit of a swing on it, because a lot of water meters can be quite tight to open and close. Now that that's turned on, we can go and test our taps, make sure they're both working,